I'm in the kitchen today, y'all, with my brother Bubba's children, and they are precious children. This is Kari. Let's get going on another family favorite, deep fried pickles, y'all.
I take one of my girlfriends up to Uncle Bubba's all the time. It's her favorite thing to eat on the menu.
Really?
It's the fried pickles.
At Uncle Bubba's, y'all, we use dill pickles, but this recipe called for bread and butter pickles. Okay. So we're going to try those and see what you think. We're just going to put a cup of flour and 4 eggs, if you'll beat those up. And these measurements don't have to be precise, all right, because this is just the coating for these. So if we need more, we'll certainly add to it. And I'm going to measure out a cup of cornmeal.
Now, how did you know to use cornmeal? Because I know there's a lot of different things in the house that we use for frying up certain things.
Well, this is Jamie and Bobby's recipe. And they use cornmeal because it gives a crispier outer layer than just using flour.
All right.
So here we go. Now we're gonna put a little salt and pepper in the flour, a little salt and pepper in the cornmeal. Mix that up. All right, so if you'll start making the sauce for these, I'll start doing the dipping because this is messy. I'm gonna go flour, eggs, and meal. Now once we get a good coating on these pickles, honey, we're just gonna deep fry them in vegetable oil at about 350 degrees. I'm just gonna put those in the basket, and then I'll be dropping them down into the fryer. Now, Kari's sauce that she's making, it's simple, y'all. Just 2 tablespoons of honey, 1/4 cup of Dijon mustard, 1/4 cup of sour cream, and 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. This is a messy job, y'all. To me,
I smell some good groceries cooking over here. Is it time to eat yet?
Here's the other hires, y'all.
He loves to eat too.
This is my nephew, Kari's brother, Bubba's son.
You know I'm not going to pass up a free meal.
I know you're not,
especially fried.
What can I do to speed up the process?
I tell you what, give those pickles a shake. Right there. No, baby, the ones in the basket. Y'all, this is my nephew, Jay. And those look like they're ready to come out, Jay.
I'm going to take these over here with me.
Do you like
special segment.
See, those are bread and butter pickles, Jay.
Yeah, this is good stuff.
Are they? Well, I want to taste.
Would you like one?
With the sweetness.
Yes, I just want a little.
I guess I'm going to have to go to Bobby's after this and work out now. As much as we eat, we have to work out a lot around here.
Yeah, I already did my time this morning.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.